From Suraj School Bawal, being a principal of the school, really I feel proud. And few things let me share with you, and it is very important nowadays. First of all, the students who are the part of the school, they are very much disciplined and they obey always the instruction of the school. And really I appreciate all the parents' efforts which are connected with their wards and which kind of activities they are doing. So it is your support. So parents, through this video message, I want to give a message to all the respective parents who are connected or who are the family of Suraj School. Because our children nowadays, they are spending their time, so much time on the gadgets, like mobiles, like other gadgets at their home. And we feel that somehow we need to give some kind of platform, we need to give some kind of timetable for the kids also. So we have decided and we have discussed one of the conclusion that each and every student must be follow a given timetable from morning to evening. So that's why we here as a school management committee, we have prepared a time slots for the students and as well for the teachers also, because we know that the mental health for each and everyone is very important. So the school timetable for the kids we have already shared in the concern group. I hope you already checked. So we're requesting to all the parents, kindly go through the given timetable and each and everything that is decided as per the timetable. When we give the timetable to our kids and we will follow that, then each and everything complete by the students according to the given timetable. And it's our personal thinking about that if the students they spend less time on the gadgets and they give precious time for their health, for their food and for their creativity, for the activities, so these things inculcate a healthy environment for the child also, and it is necessary for the academic excellence of the child also. So being an educator, it's my message or suggestions to all the respective parents, kindly be involved in the students' academic journey, because those who are the achiever of the school or achiever of the India, they are having a specific timetable and they spend their quality time with the good things. So we are expecting from all sides, kindly give your precious time also to your kids for the better outcomes. Because as a teachers, as a parents, as a school management, we three are the builders of the nation. And our students bonding, that is depends on our activities. So I'm requesting to you, and through this message, it's your contribution I'm expecting from each and every parents. Kindly be ensured from your side that you will spend a precious time with the kids, listen to them, guide to them and advise to them, because nowadays the generation is totally out of the track. So it's a message to all the parents. This is an awareness message also, alarming message also. Each and every student must follow the given timetable and in your observation, because it is very important that each and every student's activity must be monitored, observed and guide the right directions to them. If you will connect with us, definitely so many reforms for the kids, because in the school premises also we are working and we value each and every parents and child effort. So it's a message for all the parents, kindly be involved and kindly look after the timetable and be ensure that each and every child must follow the given timetable, and you will observe after a few days later, according to this timetable, the students will create a difference and its a result also, its academic results also will be changed. So I'm expecting from your side cooperation and support. Thank you so much. Be connected with Suraj Education. Thank you.